If you are not allowed to buy Tezon, you have to buy this Monteverdi. It went through a puddle and got an electric shock and flooded. The electronic control burned out, and the car can't be driven. It's better to get 3. You say it costs tens of thousands. The owner of the car thought it was too expensive to replace a complete set of electric drives. He brought the car over and asked us to replace the motor controller. First, put the vehicle into service mode and click on the high voltage. Click on the program. Click on the replacement rear shock controller. Remember to perform these steps before disassembling the motor. The first step is to store the loading program data. Step 2. Click to store program data. Step 3. Start cooling autumn leaves. Take a look at this Tesla Mod's outer motor. It's burned out. There was a hole in the shell of this controller. After we dismantled the control board, we took a look and it was all blackened. This broken one cannot be repaired and can only be replaced with a new controller. Massage. After installing the electronic control, enter service mode again. Click Operation Step 4. Step 5. Load program data. Click Step 6 to see bus redeployment. After the deployment is successful, click Step 7. Step 9. Cool the exhaust and add coolant. The car can be driven normally. After repairing the crookedness of this special motorcycle, you can let us input how much money is appropriate for the Cheers car.